Okay, so ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin yung quotient rule in differential calculus. If we have here a function in the form, halimbawa, gawin natin h of x ha. If we have here h of x is equal to f of x over g of x. And so what is the derivative of h of x? And in quotient rule in differential calculus, the h prime of x is equal to ito, g of x times the derivative of f of x, which is, we put that as f prime of x, minus f of x times the derivative of g of x over the square of g of x. Yan. G of x squared and g of x squared. Ganun na lang natin. Yan. Para sa akin, mas komportable kasi ako na tawagin siyang lower function, upper function. Sige, subukan natin ha. So, if we have here h of x, yan. So, if we denote this as upper, or u, and then lower as L, our h of x is equal to low times the derivative of the upper, or of high, minus yung upper times the derivative of the lower over the low squared. Yan. Mas madali ko kasing ma-recall. Low times the derivative of high minus high times the derivative of low over low. Low squared. Yan. So if you have here example number 1. Example number 1. Let's solve this one. If wherever y is equal to x over sine of x, what is the derivative of y or y prime? So our y prime, gamitin natin yon, yung low, what is nasa ilalim, sine x, times the derivative of high, yung nasa taas, which is 1, minus yung higher, or yung upper, which is x, times the derivative of the lower. What is the derivative of lower? So that is, cosine x. Cosine x all over the square of the lower. So sine squared of x. If we try to simplify that one, we have sine of x minus x cosine x. Ganun pa rin pala. Ayan, sine squared of x. Ganun lang. Okay? So, tandaan nyo lang yung lower times the derivative of the upper minus the upper times the derivative of the lower over the lower, the square of the lower function. Okay? So, sige. Burahin ko to ha. And then, let's solve another example. And dito lang. Let's delete this one. And then, let's write another example. Example number 2. So, we have here example number 2. Y is equal to ln of x over x squared, for example. Yan. So, the derivative of that one is equal to yung lower, which is x squared, times the derivative of the upper. What is the derivative of the upper? What is the derivative of ln of x? That is 1 over x, or dx over x. Minus the upper, which is ln of x. Ln of x, ln of x. Times the derivative of the lower. What's the derivative of the lower? That is 2x all over. Ano na? Huwag pa natin. X to the 4th. Diba? Kasi kung x squared siya, tapos may squared pa. Tama? So, kung isi-simplify natin, that will be x to the 4th. Now, notice, itong isang to, squared to, diba? Divided by x. So, we have x minus 2x ln of x over x to the 4th. And masisimplify pa to? Tama. Kasi kung i-simplify natin yan, that will be, labas natin yung x. So, x, 1 minus 2 ln of x over x to the fourth. So, yung isang x magka-cancel, magiging 1 minus 2 ln of x over x cubed. So, that's already the final answer. So, the derivative of ln of x over x squared is equal to 1 minus 2 ln of x over x cubed. So that is our example number 2. Let's have example number 3. Yan. Siguro natandaan nyo naman na yung ating quotient rule. And if we have here example number 3. Yan. Example 3. Paano kapag meron tayong y is equal to x minus 1 over x plus 1. And if we take the derivative of this one, we have y prime is equal to, ano sabi ko ngayon, lower. What is our lower? X plus 1 multiplied by the derivative of this one. What is the derivative of this one? We have 1 minus yung upper. What is the upper function? That is x minus 1 multiplied by the derivative of the lower. Ano yung derivative nito? 1 lang din. Over yung square ng nasa ilalim. So that x plus 1 squared. Okay? So, if we try to simplify this one, kung tutusin, pwede nyo na itong matain eh. So, x, pero sige, i-distribute natin. Minus x, so negative times negative is positive, plus 1, okay, over x plus 1, the quantity squared. So, notice ito, magka-cancel siya. And then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So, y prime is equal to 2 over x plus 1 squared. So, ito na po yung final answer natin. Okay. So, the derivative of x minus 1 over x plus 1 is equal to 2 over the quantity x plus 1 squared. Okay. Let's have another example. If we have here, saan tayo magsusulat? Dito na lang muna. Example number 4. Example number 4. If we have here y is equal to 2x cubed, 2x cubed plus 4, halimbawa, over x squared plus 1. Yan. Ano yung derivative nito? Lipat natin. Para makita yung function, yung problem. Sige, adjust natin. Our y, yun natin ang arrow. Y prime is equal to, what is our lower? That is x squared plus 1. Tama? So, x squared plus 1 multiplied by, what is the derivative of this one? Diba? 6x squared. Correct? So, we have 6x squared minus yung upper, which is 2x cube. Mukhang hindi na siya cube. Just natin. 2x cube. Ayan. 2x cube plus 4. So, 2x cube plus 4 times the derivative of the lower. What is the derivative of x squared plus 1? Of course, that is 2x all over. And x is squared plus 1 quantity squared. Yun. Sige, i-simplify natin. If we try to simplify that further, and actually, parang ito na nga yung sagot eh. Y prime is equal to Sige, simplify natin. 6x to the 4th. 6x to the 4th plus 6x squared minus, kung multiply natin to, 4, di ba? 4x to the 4th minus 8x over x squared plus 1, the quantity squared. Parang tumatagilid. Y prime. And samahin natin yung same degree. So, 6x to the 4th minus 4x to the 4th, that is equal to 2x to the 4th. So, 2x to the 4th and plus 6x squared minus 8x over x squared plus 1 squared. So, this is already our final answer. Yan. Kung tutusin, pwede nyo pang i-factor out yung GCF nito. Ang GCF niya is 2. Pero ganyan na lang. Yon. So, the derivative of y is equal to 2x cubed plus 4 over x squared plus 1 is equal to 2x to the 4th plus 6x squared minus 8x over x squared plus 1, the quantity squared. Yon. Some more example. Sige. Ibang example pa. Meron pa ba tayong susulatan? Meron pa. So, if we have here number 5. Example number 5. Yeah. If we have here y is equal to 2 over x plus 3. Yan. Ano yung derivative nito? We have here y prime is equal to the lower. Bakit 2 lang yun? 2x. Yan. Kasi hindi na di-derivative yung plus. Lower, which is x plus 3 times the derivative of the upper, which is 2 minus the upper, which is 2x, times the derivative of the lower, which is 1. Okay, all over x plus 3, the quantity squared. So let's simplify. Our y prime, therefore, is equal to, and notice 2x and then 2x, magka-cancel na yung 2. Sige, i-ano pa rin, distribute pa rin natin para mas malinaw. Plus 6 minus 2x over x plus 3, the quantity squared. So ito, this one will cancel out. Therefore, our y prime is equal to 6 over x plus 3, the quantity squared. So that's already your final answer. Yun na yun. Yun yung final answer natin. Sige, isa pa. Example number 6. Baka kaya pa. Example number 6. If we have here y is equal to sine x. Yan. Sine of x over x plus 1. What is our y prime? Our y prime is equal to the lower, which is x plus 1 times the derivative of the upper, what is the derivative? Cosine of x, diba? Minus the upper na sine of x times the derivative of the lower. Yan. Over x plus 1 squared. Actually, kung sisimplify natin, tatanggalin lang natin yung 1 dito, yan na yung sagot. Diba? So, the derivative of sine x over x plus 1 is equal to the quantity x plus 1 times cosine of x minus sine x over x plus 1, the quantity squared. Yan. So, ito yung ating quotient rule. Lang kayong malito, gamitin nyo lang yung ating formula na yung lower times the derivative of the upper minus the upper times the derivative of lower over the lower squared, the square of the lower function. And so sana nakatulong itong ating tutorial na to sa inyong mga lesson, particularly doon sa topic na quotient rule sa differential calculus.